Hello everyone, welcome back to vlogs. It's Saturday. Happy November, happy belated Halloween. We're going to a soccer game. It's in a different town. I'm going to be driving us, and me and Allison's grandparents are here. So yeah, I'll meet you guys where we're going to be going. Okay, here we are at the place. This is Midland Park, New Jersey. This is their high school. Blair. Oh well. But yeah. Not a bad place. Pretty windy though, I must say. Because just see the trees blowing. Anyway, the game is about to get started. So yeah.
Step up, Allison! I think it's 2-0. Did they get a goal or I missed? I think it's 2-0.
Okay, so hi. Coles. We went here just to get me socks. And just went to the bathroom. I'm gonna go here. So yeah, the game's all done. Just going down this escalator. After this, we're going to Lowe's, and tomorrow she has another game. So yeah. Okay, guys. So excuse me. So it's the next day, and well, this is just kind of an announcement. So as you know, back in September, I said we're kind of gonna have a rule where it's like only one video per week because of school, except for days off. Well, it is that time when we get to bend the rules, because so today is the 4th of November, and this Thursday and Friday we don't have school now. I don't know if other states do this, but it's just for our state, or I don't know. Like, say it in the comments if you actually know. But we had like our there are teacher conventions down in Atlantic City on that Thursday and Friday, so we don't have school those days. which that is great because I can vlog, and I don't have work either because, you know, why would an after school, why would an aftercare for after school happen if there's no school? If you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I have no school and no work on this Thursday and Friday. Unfortunately, then next week things are gonna be just as they have been because, you know, it's just a full week. But then the week after that, that's Thanksgiving week. So Thanksgiving, I'll try and vlog as much as I can. That Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, me and everyone, we're all going down to Cape May, see my grandparents that live down there. So yeah, we're gonna head down there for the weekend. Now, unfortunately, we can't really go swimming or anything because, you know, it's cold, it's fall, it's not like Florida. But still, we're gonna have some fun there, and then, you know, after that, it's December, Christmas time. Happy holidays, I guess. But yeah, it's just kind of how things are gonna go for this, I guess you could say, next month of videos. And as well, also, I'd say like either on the 17th or 18th, whatever, that weekend, I'm gonna be getting something that I've been waiting to get. I'm gonna be buying some things that I've been waiting to buy. Just, you'll see once we get there, because I do want one more paycheck before I try and get these things. But yeah, so that's just the next month's worth of videos, or what the outcome is going to be. I'm really excited for this week because 1, no school, 2, no work, and I can just do what I want. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, consider subscribing if you have not, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.